Well, in this video right here, we're going to do some styling for this sheet. And of course, yours is going to be a little bit different, but I've chosen some books and articles by John Taylor Gatto, which are, well, I think they're excellent. But in any case, what we're trying to do here is do some styling, and they've already set up, or we've already set up some style, cascading style sheet right there for us. There's a little bit too much space there, but we've got the style sheet right here, which we're now ready to start entering in some information. So inside the body, we can see we've got a level 1 header, a level 2 header, some paragraphs, and another level 2 header, and then 3 more paragraphs right there. Now, in the past, what we would do, right, just like we've seen before, you go into each one of these tags and style each one separately, even if they repeat in terms of color or font size or something like that, okay? So we're going to do that though in the style sheet all at the same time. So I'm not even going to be working down here in the body at all, not at all. The only thing that I'm going to be doing up here is styling each from the style sheet up here, which is inside the metadata, which we know is the head. So in the style here, what they want us to do is take the level 1 header, and what we're going to do is style the level 1 header. Once we get that done, then we will style the level 2 header. And then once we get that done, we'll style the paragraphs a specific way. And the way that you should do it is the way that they talk about in the assignment. You can always look that up in the assignment, and that's good. But for me, I'm going to do it the way that I want to do it. And you can do it however, again, you can do it however you want. But on this assignment as well, just remember, you got to look at the assignment because they do want specific colors being used in this. So we're going to go through these one part at a time. Okay, so starting with the level 1 header, we're going to give it color. So color, C-O-L-O-R, colon, and then just choose whatever color you want. I'm just going to go with red. I think that sounds like a pretty good color. Now, if I were to go in and save this and then open my web page, here's what it looks like. And what was that? That's the level 1 header, which we just made red. So if I reload this, you can see now the color of my level 1 header has become red. Next up, we're going to go to the level 2 header here, and we're also going to give it some color. And remember, color is the color of the text. If we wanted a background color, it would be background-color. And this one, again, just choose whatever color you want, but I think blue is going to work. So I'm going to save this and run it. And we can now see that both of my level 2 headers have become this blue color. Okay, so again, think about the nice shortcut that this is, having a style sheet inside the metadata, because with it, we didn't have to do a lot of work in order to change those colors, whereas before, even the copying and pasting of that code in there would cause some problems. Well, not problems, it just takes some extra time. So with that now, we can go in and change the paragraphs. Right, we've already got the setup. Now all we got to do is enter the code, and yep, we are going to give it another color, the color that we want. You choose whatever color you want. I'm going to go with orange. Orange seems like a nice color. And again, now that I've got that saved, when I reload, I expect all of these paragraphs, each of these is its own paragraph, to turn orange, and they do, which is all that we really need for this assignment. Again, most of the code was already put in there for us, which is very convenient, but we have it done, and this is looking really good. So this is the code that we need. See if we can make that a little bigger. There we go. This is all the code that we did right here. We didn't even put in the style tag right here. We did put in these particular characteristics for the style tag inside the style sheet. So that's looking pretty good. But again, if you wanted to see the whole code, I suppose there it is. Well, that completes this video. See you guys in the next one.